Well, I've just had two compressors dropped off. This one I found it's leaking everywhere around this check valve, like the base and the front there, and probably its feed up to the pressure switch. And the second unit, that seems to have blown the pressure switch diaphragm. And both units are very well used and there's oil everywhere. So this one needs a new pressure switch, and this one just needs a bit of gas Teflon tape. So we'll see how it goes, but they both need to be upgraded to something like this. He needs one or two of those instead of these little things. I fixed all these leaks, but the pressure switch is fucked as well. When it gets to full pressure and turns off, it leaks. Pressure switch is fucked. Well, with the little compressor, I pulled its pressure switch apart, and yeah, the diaphragm's just split in half. So that goes there, or in there. It's all the oil from the compressor, because it's old and running hot and doing all that, has affected the diaphragm. And I think the bigger compressor has just got a little tear in the diaphragm, but will end up like this in not too long. Oh well.